Alright, before you make that purchase, I'll be showing you 3 critical checks that exposes a bad engine in under 90 seconds. Step 1 is smoke test. It speaks. Blue smoke equals oil burning. Think worn piston rings, bad valve seals, or a leaking turbo seal. That means oil is getting into the combustion chamber. Expensive to fix. Black smoke equals too much fuel, clogged air filter, bad injectors, or turbo problems. Fixable, but a maintenance red flag. Light gray or clear? Perfect. Clean combustion. Step 2. Listen. Engines tell the truth. A deep rhythmic knock that changes with RPM. That's rod or main bearing knock. Metal on metal, big expensive problem. A high-pitched rattle is more often valve lash, loose timing chain, or a worn filter. Annoying. Fixable, usually cheaper. A hissing or clacking can point to turbo or fuel pump issues. Smooth, even hum equals healthy. So, which of these 2 sounds do you think is good? A or B? Let me know in the comment section. Step 3, the cold start. If a truck has been sitting for long, here is a quick rule. A healthy engine should start within 1 to 3 seconds of cranking. If it struggles longer than 5 seconds, that's a weak battery, tired starter, or poor compression. Whichever means, that's more bills. If it starts slowly but fires after long cranks and leaves black smoke, this could be compression or injector issues. You have to try multiple times, walk away. Fluids never lie. For a clean oil, amber or translucent in color equals regular service. Milky or frothy oil, warning. That means coolant is mixing with oil. Big repair, walk away. Black gritty oil would mean long overdue for service or sludge, or engine wear likely. Ask for maintenance reports. Coolant should be at the proper mark and low clear. Low or dirty coolant suggests leaks, overheating, or neglected cooling system. All can cost you later. So, let's summarize the 3 rules. Blue or persistent white smoke, walk away. Deep metal knock, walk away. Start strong, sound smooth, fluids clean, good to go. So, if you want us to do this for you, come to Richbon. We'll help you to inspect, report, and buy smart. No pressure, just power.